Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and I love the soft romantic glow that these curtain lights give my room. They're such a delicate, lightweight light, and they're safe because they're cool to the touch. The hooks make them really easy to install, so I put these hooks in my wall, but if you wanted them to be renter friendly, you could put them up with any other type of hook, or I think they're light enough to even put them up with fishing line. The USB plug is really easy to use, so you can plug it into a wall like normal or your computer. But a couple weeks ago, we had a storm come through at night and we lost power for a couple hours. And I remembered that these were USB powered, so I was able to just plug them into my power bank and they lit up my room very nicely. So if you're looking for cozy, romantic curtain lights, whether for a special occasion or to decorate your space, these have such a beautiful touch. And that's my point of view.